Are you getting hit with the breakpoint has been reached? Error 0x800003 error every time you try to play Red Dead Redemption 1 on your PC. This error can strike without warning, causing sudden crash right in the middle of the action, leaving you frustrated and stuck. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix this error once and for all. Whether it's tweaking settings, updating software, or adjusting game files, we'll go through each step so you can get back to enjoying Red Dead Redemption crash-free. Let's dive in and fix this issue together.